Who was Cain's wife in Genesis? Last time, we talked about speciation over 2 episodes, the difference between species and kind, and how animals diversify within the same kind. Today we're going to answer a question that many Christians have been asked. Who was Cain's wife? According to the Bible, after Cain killed his brother Abel, he left and took a wife, but the Bible only mentions Cain, Abel, and Seth as the children of Adam and Eve. So who was Cain's wife? This question may seem simple, but it raises deeper issues about the Bible and science, the problem of close-relative marriage, the origins of humanity, the age of the earth, and even the worldview of evolution. Now, let's look at the Bible. Genesis says that Adam had Seth at the age of 130, but here's the key point. The children mentioned in the Bible are not the only ones. If we read further in Genesis, it says Adam had other sons and daughters after Seth. This means there were many siblings who were not explicitly named in the Bible. So who did Cain marry? It must have been his sister. The book of Jasher, which is referenced in Joshua, also records that Adam had 3 daughters, in addition to Cain and Abel. So even while Abel was alive, there were at least 3 daughters. Now, another question arises. Isn't close-relative marriage a problem? Today, we know that close-relative marriages can cause genetic issues. That's because mutations accumulate over time. If both parents carry the same mutation, it increases the risk of passing on harmful genetic defects to their children. But things were different in the beginning. Adam and Eve had perfect genes, and so did their children. Early humans had little to no mutations, so close-relative marriage had no genetic risks. However, over time, as the environment worsened after the flood, and mutations accumulated through the Ice Age, genetic defects became more common. That's why, in Exodus, when the Mosaic Law was given, God forbade close-relative marriage for the first time. In the early days, it wasn't a problem, but as humanity declined, it became dangerous. Now, does the question of Cain's wife make sense? When we take the Bible as fact, this question becomes easy to answer. Next time, we'll talk about the formation of limestone caves and their connection to the Ice Age. Hit that like button, and I'll be back with more.